kaya na. Ay, ulam. Ha? Ulam ko guys, talong na prito at saka yung kanin ko. Ito. Kain na tayo guys. Tabangi o tambagi ko. Talong. Pritong talong. Kanon nga ito. Bawang. Harap. Dami kaya ba? Nak! Panyahan mo nga muna yan. Panyahan lang konti. Copyright na naman to. Hindi madungog. Kunti pa. Thank you, Nak. Ano kumain? Namiganin na ibuwan ba? Buwan o kuan. Hindi na mos. Talong lang, tapos lagyan ng nor. Pork cubes. Gisa lang. Harap.
This exercise increases there's fingers of the roquet sign with your left hand. Got it? Then change the arrangement of the fingers so that your left hand shows peace and your right hand shows okay. You should repeat this exercise several times. Let's do it 5 times for a start. 1, 2, 3. Goes okay. You should repeat this exercise several times. Let's do it 5 times for a start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was it easy for you? Perform the exercise with both hands at once. Here are your 10 seconds to try. Ready? Go. It wasn't that easy, right?
Right?
Yeah. This exercise is a tricky one. It is beneficial as it trains you and develops the ability to switch from one task to another quickly. There's a secret in this one and a pair of easy-to-use writing utensils.
Lami kayo.
Once, you can also
Lami.
provided the number of characters on the pencil.